Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmund Mindaros, and for today's a quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve internet security settings prevented one or more files from being open error in Windows 10 computer. So this error in Windows often appears when the operating system security features such as smart screen or the internet security zones block a file downloaded from the internet. So this can happen even if the file is safe. So there are several ways to fix this, ranging from a quick unblock to adjusting your security settings. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So the first solutions we will do is to reconfigure the internet settings. So all you have to do is to click on a search menu, and then here you need to type CMD, or this is the command prompt, and then you need to tap or click this run as administrator. If you receive user account control, and then click yes. And once you open up here at administrator command prompt, and then next step, then we need to type and enter this command keyword ipconfig space slash slash DNS. So just type this command keyword ipconfig space slash slash DNS, that is one word, and then press enter. And successfully flash the DNS resolver cache. And the next command keyword that we need to enter, so just type this command keyword NATSH space wensec space reset. So just type this command keyword NATSH space wensec space reset, and then press enter. And successfully reset the wensec catalog. Then we need to restart this computer in order to complete the reset. Then we need to close the CMD, and then here up left side corner, then we need to click this power button here to restart or rebooting this PC. So after restart or rebooting this PC, if the error still persists, and the next solutions that we're going to do is to check the internet zone settings. So all you have to do is to press the Windows key plus letter R on your keyboard to open this terminal. And once you open up here this run terminal, so here in box, and then we need to type this command keyword inetcpl.cpl. So just type this command keyword inetcpl.cpl, that is one word, and then click OK. And open up here at internet properties, then you need to click or tap the security tab, and then here at security tab, here at security level for this zone, then you need to tap or click this custom level, and then click. So here at custom level button and security settings, internet zones, and then here this settings, then we need to scroll down at miscellaneous sections. Then we need to find this launching applications and unsafe file. So we need to scroll down and find that. And then you can see now this miscellaneous, and then we need to scroll down again and find this launching applications and unsafe file. Okay, so if you find already this launching applications and unsafe files, so all you have to do is to select this from recommended settings. So we have here this disable, enable, or this the prompt recommended. So we need to select this sections here. Then after that, and then we need to click OK. Alright, so after here, and the next solution that we're going to do is to disable the smart screen filter. So all you have to do is to click again on a search menu, and then we need to type this Windows security, and then we need to click open. And once you open up here at Windows security, and then here at left side navigation panel, then we need to click this app and browser control, and then click. And then here on right side, so here at app and browser control, and then you can see this reputations based protections. Then you need to tap this reputations based protection settings, and then click. So here at reputations based protection, so we have three options like check apps and files, smart screen for Microsoft Edge, and then the other one, the potentially unwanted app blocking. So all you have to do is to turn off the settings. So we need to toggle this button to left corner. If you receive user account control, and then click yes. Same with Smart Screen for Microsoft Edge, then toggle this button to left corner. And same with potentially unwanted app blocking, then we to toggle this button. And if you receive user account control, and then click yes. Okay, so once you're done here at Windows Security, and then here at the bottom left corner, then we need to restart this PC to fix this error. Alright, so that's it guys, and thanks for watching. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorials.